YouTube, what's going on? So Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, another review, another shoe on the table today. A package from Social Status. As always, let's get into it. Alright, this shoe is an A Ma Maniere shoe collab. This is actually part of the capsule, I believe. Every summer tells a story. Yeah. And this is kind of pretty cool packaging. Give you a quick overview on how the box looks. As you see, it does have the A Ma Maniere branding on the box. As you see, it's the new school style box that they threw out with the Air Max 95 that just released. But today on the table we have the Nike Air Force One 07 A Ma Maniere. Colorway is white, white, white. It looks like triple white. Triple white. And like I said, it is the newer style box. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside. All you gotta do is just pop the lids open. Like I said, Air Max 95 came with the same box. Got that premium look, premium feel. Oh yeah, that metallic backing on that with the A Ma Maniere A. The cloth here, love it. Violet ore, I believe the color is. And as you see them, little beautiful, quick little look. We're just gonna set those aside. Okay, wow, okay. Loving it, loving it. Simple, white, pure. I don't understand why they said these were women's shoes and stuff like that. I mean, just why label them women's or men's? Just say unisex and call it a day. Yeah. Well, let's figure this out. I got 2 YCM stickers, 2 of them. You see that? 1, 2. Nothing new on here. Box size is going to be 330 by 200 by 115. And yes, you see it's shiny, glossy. Ooh, we do have a QR sticker, as you see, red on the bottom corner. Okay. Oh, look at that. If you want to see more of this box, I do have a video out with the Air Max 95's A Ma Maniere collab. You can check the box out and all the features. It's actually the same box with the same Converse, Nike, Jumpman logo, and so forth. This is pretty awesome. I just figured out this box is like a display box. Okay, anyhow, what I was just saying about why they labeled these women's shoes, there's nothing about this that stands out, says women's shoes whatsoever. You tell me. Is it the off-white laces? Off-white sock liner? Not too sure, but okay, you know. Let's start off. Swoosh. Pretty nice. Yeah, that swoosh is pretty nice. It looks like it's double layered, stitched. It looks like leather behind there as well. I'm not too sure. But the leather on this is premium. Let me tell you, premium leather. Oh yeah. Okay, like I said, there's nothing about this that shoots at me that says female. Just women's shoe. No. I mean, come on. There's nothing wrong with that. Other side. Swoosh. Take a look at some of that stitching. You guys can see that detail, these cell laces. Take a look at the toe on that bad boy. Alright, you see that? We do have the A Ma Maniere A on the front. ID tag or whatever you want to call that. Take a look at the tongue in a little bit. I do have one issue. This part right here doesn't seem to have gone so. Maybe if I don't know. It just looks weird. Just can't make it out. On my end, it looks kind of beat here. I don't know if you guys can see this little part right here, and it's making the swoosh sign not full. I don't know what's going on, but it looks like when they added this part, they didn't do a good job. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or whatnot, but yeah, kind of weird right there. But it does have the A Ma Maniere for that, the A on the back. Take a look at the other shoe real quick on that part. Yeah, that one's clean. I don't know if you guys can make that out, but it's got a nice little subtle touch to it, you know, a little different. Put that shoe back. And this shoe is also going to have it's actually going to have a different, the Nike swoosh compared to this one with the A. Okay. I know you guys see the A's there. Alright, let's take a look at the bottom real quick. That little translucent outsole. Kind of hard to make out the Nike there, but it is there. Pretty sweet. I like it. Let's take a look at the inside. Alright, I did go ahead and loosen one of the shoelaces up on one shoe. They do come with Nike tips on the laces. Nice little subtle touch. And let's take a look at this tongue real quick. I'm gonna check that bad boy out. As you see there, you guys can make that out. Let's say Nike Air A Ma Maniere on a little tag right here. Okay, and as always, I love this actual shoe tree. Not paper, plastic. Okay, that's how you do it. Thank you, A Ma Maniere. Show them how it's done. On the inside of the tongue, it's gonna have that fine A material that we logo that they are using now, but it's kind of it's not leather. All right, inside sock liner also that same pattern. I don't know if you guys can make that out. Let's take a look at the insole. All right, we don't get the stitch now. All right, numbers for you guys. Okay. Other side, it does have the A Ma Maniere A branding on there as well. Let's take a look at the inside. Yes, the inside does have that message. While you were sleeping. So this is part of the While You Were Sleeping Every Summer Tells a Story capsules. Take a look at the tag. Sorry. Looks like V3 factory. 11/13/24/01/22/25. All right. Take a look at some of that stitching though. On that felt footbed looking. You guys see the stitching? Okay. Other than that, that is actually it. I'm going to check out the other shoe to see if there's any differences. This is just your triple white, off-white Air Force One. I mean, with the A Ma Maniere touch, beautiful. Unlike the Retro 5, which is amazing, and some of like the Air Max 95 is amazing. This is just it's simple, it's not fancy, it's not, shiny, nothing like that. You just, you know what I mean? Kind of missed that right there, the A Ma Maniere hit. You see that? On the other side, you are going to have the Air. Same thing on the other shoe. Just want to see if there's any differences on this bad boy. Do have the shoe tree. I'm sure it's probably just going to have the writing as well. Take a look real quick. I do this so you guys don't have to. Same thing. Yes, while you were sleeping on the inside. Beautiful shoe, last looks. Beautiful shoe. Shoe did release July 22nd along with the Retro 5 and the Air Max 95 re-release. The price on this was $150. Not bad for $150, let me tell you. But as always, if you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.